Hello everyone, and welcome to our course devoted to constructing Keras models. My name is Nimish, and I will be your instructor for the duration of this course, in which we'll learn all about the framework Keras, what it is and how to use it, and also build a few projects together. Before we start the course material, allow me to introduce Keras and why we chose this particular topic. So for starters, what is Keras? Now, Keras is simply a framework used to build machine learning applications. It's specialized towards constructing neural networks and contains a large suite of tools suited towards a wide variety of applications. It contains all of the functionality needed to create powerful yet efficient deep learning software. What specifically can we do with Keras? Keras enables us to build, train, test, and even export machine learning models with ease. It used to be that building machine learning models in the past was a very difficult endeavor, and required formal training in machine learning techniques and algorithms, and even knowledge of matrix algebra. However, with Keras, we can use the built-in functionality to eliminate the most challenging aspects of building neural networks, so we can focus on the fun stuff. Now, there are other machine learning frameworks out there, so what makes Keras so special? Some of the other frameworks available include MXNet, Caffe, Deepwater, and PyTorch, just to name a few. However, Keras is by far the most popular for a variety of reasons. For starters, Keras is built on top of TensorFlow, the most popular machine learning framework out there by far. Keras also offers the same suite of tools as the others that I mentioned, and then some. It brings even more to the table. The Keras community is one of the biggest and most active among all machine learning frameworks. And to top it all off, Keras is perhaps the easiest to learn first. So if this is your first go at machine learning, Keras is the right framework for you. Now, how does Keras specifically help developers over some of the other frameworks? As I mentioned, Keras is perhaps the easiest neural network framework for a few reasons. The syntax is easy to read, and there are functions for almost every task, which makes model construction very easy. Class, function, and variable names are all highly intuitive and very easy to use. Many different kinds of networks are easy to build using Keras, from deep neural networks to general adversarial networks and even recurrent neural networks. This allows us to employ Keras towards a wide variety of different tasks. Building networks of any kind is as easy as importing the various layers and adding them to the network by calling upon functions and class instances. There are even functions to train, test, evaluate, and export models. So Keras really can do it all and more in just a dozen or so lines of code. Now, that's been a really quick intro into what Keras is and some of the benefits of using this framework. It's flexible, powerful, and easy to use, making it the perfect tool for beginners, or really anyone, to build machine learning models. I hope that you're very excited to learn about it, because I'm super excited to teach you and run through this course with you, especially building those final projects. That's going to be a ton of fun. So let's get started with the course material.